Alright, Saturday, June 29th at 12:37 a.m. This video has been uploading for a long time. That's what it says there, uploading, 17% uploaded. But here it says uploading. I'm going to refresh and it says uploading. Right, that's one. Second is the MacBook Pro, and nothing would load. It just did. My page bureau is uploading, disappeared. I'm gonna go to videos. It just loaded when I started up the phone recording. I'm gonna go out here, go to temperature, 131, go back to camera, and I had all, now this is what's happening. $139, $140, $141. This would be $142. The page disappeared. Is a draft there? They should not say draft. Anyways, let's go here. Video is being processed. So my point is the page just disappeared, nothing would load, and when I started recording, they started loading. And now it's 140 degrees. I'm going to stop recording now. Stop. Oh yes, wait. Before I stop recording, one more thing. This is activity monitor here. Time on AC, time since it has been last charged, it says 44 minutes. Not true. It has been charging for about an hour, or it's charging. It's been charging for a long time, more than an hour. But this one says it hasn't been charging since 44. Oh, and now it will not focus. Right? It says it hasn't been charged since 44 minutes ago. There. Now it went back to fuzzy. It goes back to fuzzy constantly. There. Time on AC, 44 minutes. Time until 4, 131. That's a contradiction. Anyways, that's just life. So I'm going to stop recording now. Oh, 141 degrees. I'm going to stop recording now. Stop and stop. And